Hi, I'm Cindy from Edwardsville, Illinois. I had the CLR procedure in St. Louis at Brinton Vision. I decided to pursue vision correction when I was about 40, and I looked into PRK, LASIK, different things like that, and I was at an age that I just didn't qualify for it. My eyes continually got worse. I was tired of the glasses, the readers. I had reading glasses stashed around my house and my office and my car, everywhere you looked, and guess what? You never were able to find a pair of glasses, and I was tired of not being able to see my food to eat or the people sitting across the table from me. I chose Brinton Vision because a colleague of mine, she had hers done last summer and had amazing success with it, and I was at a meeting with her putting my glasses on and off, and she came up to me and she said, "Cindy, you need to call Brinton Vision. It was the best thing I ever did." And actually I called a week later and got it. My first thought when I walked into the Brinton Vision facility was how friendly everybody was, what a beautiful office it was, and how professional everybody treated me. They greeted me by name. I didn't even have to tell the receptionist who I was. She was, "Oh, you're Cindy." And I was like, "Yes." And everybody made me feel so comfortable. The patient care at Brinton Vision is top notch. I always tell anybody if they come here, even if you don't qualify for correction surgery, you're going to get the best service and know more about your eyes than you ever did before you came. My surgery experience was wonderful. From the moment I walked in the door, everybody made me feel good about the procedure. They talked through it with me. Going into the operating room or the procedure room, I felt very comfortable. The people joked with me. There was music playing. It was just a very comfortable feeling. I at no point felt bad at all. I tell everybody it was probably one of the easiest procedures I've ever had. How is my vision now? It's fabulous. I tell the doctor every time I come, I don't think it could be any better. I can see my food when I eat. I can see my husband sitting across the table, driving down the road. I can see the street signs. Things are not blurry. My control panel on my car, I can finally see what it's actually saying and stuff. So my vision is fantastic. I couldn't believe that could be any better. I'm a principal at a big middle school, and sometimes I would walk around and not have my reading glasses, and people would ask me, "Can you read this?" And I'd say, "No, I can't. Could you read it to me?" Now I can see and read everything. I can see the bus numbers as the buses are coming up, and so it's just wonderful to be free of those glasses. When I run into anybody who's wearing contacts, glasses, I continuously tell them, call Brinton Vision, because I watch them fumble with their glasses or say that their contacts are irritating them, that they have to go take them out, and I'm like, there's a way to fix that. Call Brinton Vision. They will check your eyes and they will tell you what's best for you, and you can be free of those glasses. I tell my husband, "You're calling next week."